Hi, good evening, everybody. I am Ramakrishna Duvu. This channel is RK Creations. I am going to present you many things from this channel. First and foremost is financial lessons. Earlier, I have released one video on introduction of the financial management. Today, I have seen NSE turnover. It is more than 1.5 lakhs crores. More than that. So that much turnover in a single day for only NSE. And BSc and MCX, if you combinedly club it, total maybe more than 2 lakhs crores of turnover in a single day. What is the volume of the business is going on? Do you know how many people in India is really involving in this capital market and stock markets? Around 5 to 6%. Somewhere I read it. 5 to 6% of the people really invest in stocks, and in that only 20%, the total people in India is 5 to 6% will involve in stock market. Maybe they have demat accounts, they have trading account and other things. But really traders, daily traders, they are maybe 10 to 20% of the total capital market people. Means it is less than 1% of the public will trade daily. So there is a huge volume. Why people are not trading? Because of fear. They don't want to take risk. Risk and is a reward. Where there is a risk is involved, you have a good reward. But Indian mentality for a common man always prefer job because security. They don't want to take any risk. Month and after month, on the first day or first week, they want fixed amount. They pay rents, EMIs, all blah 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 blah, and sit, relax till next month. So, but whereas businessmen, they take risk, they invest capital, their own money, and that money will be transformed into goods or services, which they don't know when these goods will be sold, and they will come back as a revenue. At least in an average, 3 to 6 months it takes. If any product, raw material, they brought raw material, they process it, they make a finished good product, and they will push in the market. Market directly it will not go to the customer. In between, lot of channels are there. Finally, it goes to customer who pays the money. So finally, that money reaches to the manufacturer. There is a cycle 3 to 6 months. So there is a risk, capital risk, and he is paying that interest for the money, services, and everything is involved in risk. But really, who are in comfortable position in India? Not only in India, in the world, businessman. Any employee, even though he's engineer or IAS, IPS, very whatever may be the level, they will check their pockets before spending it. But businessman never checks his pocket. He spends. Everybody has to accept it. But our parents, Indian parents, prefer their kids to be as naukar. Actually, job People will think it is a status symbol. But in English, Hindi, there is a good word, naukar, naukari, naukari. Means it is a small word. Why you want to make your kids naukar for somebody? Because you don't want to take risk and you don't want your kids to don't take risk. How pity it is. You don't want to become a rich and you don't allow your kids to become a rich. So focus where there is money. How can we win that money? How can we part of that money? So learn it. How to earn money? We have to learn. For getting a job, they study 4 years engineering, medicine 5 years, 5.5 years. Spend money, study, 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 study. Finally, they get a job, fixed salary, and they will have. But for earning crores of rupees, you have to learn. How many are ready to earn money? But for earning money, how many are ready to learn? When free videos are there, they will check it, but they have to spend from their pocket and learn. I learned. So by learning, only we can earn. So try to learn. Here, I don't charge anything. So I will teach one by one, one by one. Now I make a system. At least weekly one video I will release. Initially, I will release videos on introductory about the markets and other things. So really, what is the need of the capital market and stock market? Why we have to enter for our future security? Present we take risk. So all the best. Let's wait for my next video. Please subscribe my channel RK Creations.